Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another wig install, and today's wig is from Unice Hair Amazon. This is their pre-everything curtain bangs loose wave wig. Now this wig does come with a 7x5 by knots lace closure that does come pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and pre-cut for you as well. However, this particular wig does come with the curtain bangs for you to style and kind of make it your own. The texture of this hair, once again, is a loose wave. I have it in 24 inches, and they are saying that this hair is 180% density. Now, she did feel a little full, so I'm not too sure if it's just because the hair was so soft and silky that it felt thinner. Would I promote this hair as 180% density? Absolutely not. I feel like it was a little thinner than that, but you know, to each his own. So as you guys can see, I'm just adding some foundation all over this lace per the usual, and then I'm gonna go ahead and throw her on. Now, fair warning, even though this wig does come with the curtain bangs, you are gonna have to kind of like finesse it to your liking. So for example, you guys will see me cutting these bangs a lot, trying to maneuver them because I didn't really want them all in my eyes like that, but overall they kind of gave you a really good head start. And per the usual, I will be using some lace melting spray to secure that lace down because the wig cap was just not really fitting me in the best way possible, and I needed a little bit more security. So this is what the lace looked like after I let it melt and added some foundation. As you guys can see, it's not 100% perfect. It stops before my natural edges. The color is a little off, but that's okay because the way how the wig is styled is going to cover it up anyways. So shout out to the bangs and for the way that they styled this wig unit. So I am just trying to make sure that my bangs are somewhat laying flat in the front. I'm cutting them. I really just wanted to make sure that they wasn't all in my eyes like that. That could be very annoying, and you know, I have allergies, so it definitely was bothering me. But at the same time, I wanted my bangs to still make a statement. I didn't want to alter the wig too much because I want you guys to be able to follow it. Once I was okay with the bangs, I went ahead and started messing with the rest of the hair. Now the hair, obviously you guys can see it comes curled, so I thought to myself, like, do I really need to take the extra step in recurling it? And I decided not to. I think I just went in off camera and just added my wax stick to the hair. That way I can get rid of some of those flyaways. But other than that, you guys, I literally just kept messing with the hair until I was happy with it. Shedding wise, the shedding was very minimal. It did not tangle. The hair was very soft, shiny, bouncy, and it did not have a smell, which is great. Okay, you guys, and that was it for this tutorial. Really quick, really simple, very easy, and that's because the wig comes ready to go. Honestly, it comes with the curtain bang, so if you're not too, you know, proficient at laying down your lace, it doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be decent because those bangs are going to cover it up anyways. In regards to the rest of the hair was so soft, you guys, and as you can see, it was very bouncy and very flowy, and the hair also did have a very nice shine to her, which I appreciate. Now for 24 inches, this particular wig is like $219. I feel like that is just a little bit of a stretch, but they do have a coupon that's available, and that's as of how I'm looking at it today. Today is February 5th, so I would definitely recommend to click that link in my description box and check it out for yourselves and kind of see exactly what you would like to do, because obviously if you get inches that's less than 24, then you're saving yourself some money. All right, so it's completely up to you, but I think the wig is very cute. I like what they did with it. I get the point of it. I think what they were aiming for, they kind of accomplished it just a tad bit. I think the one thing that'll throw people off though is having to really customize those bangs to your own. Not everybody is good at that. But again, you guys just take your time and you'll learn eventually. That's how I did. But thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys next time.